we're gonna go pick up Elliot. Then we're gonna head down to Beardstown. Let's see what's going on from there. He stopped.
Tucked away inside my home. This rolling stone has found a rock to call his friend.
I was kidding, bro.
If you wonder where my heart is when I'm out on the road,
How's it going?
Good. We got a wide load coming.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yep.
Let's hear the out of me.
I know, dude. Okay, that was something. Never had that happen. Alright, so I think we're either gonna go here. That's kind of a boring spot. Or the bridge up here. I remember that we got that bridge shot for the executive mag.
That one was so sketchy.
It was pretty sketchy, but womp womp. Why are there so many buses?
Maybe it's a school.
Okay, well, dude. Okay, I don't see it. I think we're chilling.
It's not big chilling.
Dude, we are. Shut up.
Oh, there it is.
Oh,
there.
it's right there.
God damn it. Where are we going after this?
I don't know.
Sounded nice.
Oh. One car is crazy. Why are you walking like that?
Why are you walking like that?
Shut up.
Why you're walking? Car?
Alright, dude, let's dippopotamus.
Hippopotamus is actually wild.
Oh my god, I'm... Can you crawl back there?
No!
Please.
No, I'm not going into the trunk in a town.
Slam on the brakes, you go fly. Oh my god.
You just look.
Oh, here it goes again. Ready? Ready? Oh, it didn't do it that time. Wait, watch. While I'm trying to stop, it's going to go BAM! Ready? I'm not even gonna stop hard either. Dude, god damn it. We need to fix that.
Yeah.
Next time we stop, we need to fix that. That's insane.
Merry-go-round? No.
What? A merry-go-round?
Like the little horsey ones.
But yeah. What? What?
What?
I don't know. Cool. This spot's kind of cool. Alright, we'll find somewhere back here to shoot it. I'm recording? Yeah, I'm recording. Alright. Oh shit, Elliot, it's right there. Nice. I think it's a decent horn. It's a new K3, but it sounds good.
First day of me wearing my crop.
That's pretty nice. You'll really like your new telephoto lens. You can definitely get some more and more variety of angles.
And I won't get bullied as much.
Yeah. With your chode lens. That's cool. Yeah. There's a highway over here we can get up on and go to Vermont. He's got a yellow up there. Even though we continue north, we end up cutting our chase at Vermont as they tie into a cut of cars on the Vermont siding.